Sanibonani futhi bafethu. Ngifuna sike siphinde sibheke kwizinto ade zenzeka kwiMadlanga Commission namhlanje. Kunento interesting laphana ekade yenzeka. Uzokhumbula ukuthi iMadlanga Commission ibize uColonel uCobus ukuthi azonika ubufakazi about icase eyareportwa kuye about uKhan kanye noBrigadier uPhehle. So kubonakala ukuthi there was issues uGeneral Khan akade nazo with uBrigadier uPhehle to a point yokuthi uBrigadier uPhehle wavula icase ke yokuthi kureportwe uGeneral uKhan. So kwareportwa kuye le case with uCaptain McLean. So kwakhona nje corruption eyenzakalayo, but angifuni sifocus lapho kwamanje, ngifuna sifocus kakhulu kule voice note edlaliwe. So one of izinto uBrigadier uPhehle azenza was wathi uKhan efika one of those days e-ofisini yakhe. Ngifuna sinothise something kahle kahle la kule voice note, sike siyidingide sibone ukuthi siphuma nani thina. I know akumelanga siziconcludele because umsebenzi wokuconclude kakhulu ukwiMadlanga Commission, but ngiyafuna ukuthi nathi sike sizibonele ukuthi sithini la, because I feel like la voice note iyodwa nje isitshela into eziningi kakhulu engifuna sike sizibheke. Uma uyilalela kahle le voice note, ngizophinde ngiyifake la uyilalele nawo. Uma iqala le voice note, iqala uKhan ungena eminyango vele kanti seyirekhodiwe already. So we don't know ukuthi kwenzakaleni before kuqala ivoice note, because ukungena kwakhe uKhan ungena uthi morning uyambulisa. So that means bayaqala ukubonana, but the fact that besemrecorda, that means bese kukhona issues ezi-existayo before le voice note le. And uma okwesibili into ekumele uyinotice kule voice note is that uKhan mayengena akawuvala umnyango. Ungena nje uyawuvula umnyango, and iyona into eqala ibaxabanisa kokuqala ukuthi uKhan wayengawuvala umnyango. And uKhan uthi uyesaba uku-accuswa, akafuni uku-accuswa ngento ukuthi wenze something ngaphakathi. So ushiya umnyango so that umnyango uhlala uvulekile, so that abantu abakhona kula building bekwazi ukubona ukuthi bekwenzakalani inside. And now isitshelani leyo nto leyo ukuthi i-voice note ibisidlala already, ibisi-ready for ukurecord uKhan. 2, uKhan akafuna ukuvala umnyango. In a way ngiyafuna ukususpect ukuthi yinsola, nginabufakazi balento nje ukuspeculate nje ukuthi labantu ngenze ukuthi kuwe kwaba khona i-relationship between bona, noma yabe sibasawa okwenzakalana. Because uKhan mayefika laphana, the first thing ayibuzayo ukuthi why late, why engafikanga, because uKhan yena ufike 7:30 emsebenzini, but lo sisi uBrigadier uPhehle akafikanga emsebenzini ngo 7:30. So esambuza leyo nto leyo, besakhuluma baphikisana ngendaba yokuthi makuvalwe umnyango. And makusaphikiswana ngaleyo nto leyo, uKhan mosunento ethi angizokwazi ukuvala umnyango because kumele kube khona i-witness, so that if uclaim ukuthi ngikwenze something kube kanti khona umuntu obonile ukuthi angiyenzanga lento leyo because umnyango ubuvuliwe. So uBrigadier uPhehle uthi okay fine, if ucinga le nto le mina ngiyagodola, ngizizwa ngathi ngine-flu, ngiyagula nyana, ngicela ukuthi ubize umuntu, makube khona omunye umuntu okhona, then uvala umnyango ke, so that uthi uKhan no makumove wena ke instead uze ngapha ngakuye abavumi. So baxabaniswa nayi leyo nto leyo. While isikhathi sisahamba, uBrigadier uPhehle uthi Khan ngicela uvala umnyango. Wakwata uKhan ekwatela ukuthi why uzothi mangivala umnyango ndungibiza ngoKhan. So ivoice yavela yashintsha ekaKhan from lapho, wathi awukwazi ukuthi ngathi ngike umphathi wakho ngibize ngokuthi nguKhan, ngiuGeneral Khan kuwe, not uKhan. Now isitshelane lento leyo. Mina ukuyibuka kwami nginento ethi uKhan before he had no problem with ukubizwa ngoKhan. All along bekangena problem, because angeke nosisi ukuthi ever since baqala ukusebenza umbiza ngoKhan then kushintshe umbiza ngoGeneral Khan then kushintshe nguwe. That means bekanayo le permission before yokuthi ambize ngokuthi uKhan, but as time goes by mhlawumbe ukuhamba kokuxabana kwezinto ke wagcine esengasayifuna lento ukuthi umbiza ngoKhan, and nalento ukuthi ufika late emsebenzini nalento abasathembani kumele kube khona ovala umnyango, kumele kube khona oza ne-witness mangabe bezobonana. So yonke lento le iyabonisa ukuthi there's an existing relationship lapho ekade ikhona. So uKhan namagama awakhulumayo futhi kule voice note laphana uthi uKhan i-pen is a very powerful thing, it's a very powerful tool. Why would sixabene sishawutana kanje ngikutshela ukuthi I'm General Khan kuwe wena nje mangivala umnyango and you insist ukuthi ngiuKhan and I'm not General Khan, then bese ngifika sengithi i-pen is very powerful. Uqondeni ngalawo magama as General Khan as umphathi walo sisi lo. So even nemandla commission ke isala izibuzo ukuthi uqonda ukuthini uKhan makathi i-pen is very powerful, because insolo ezinye kule case evule ubrigadier uthi uKhan wamhlaba ngepen mhlawumbe lokumkhomba or ukumthinta nje ngepen, so asazi ukuthi kahle le pen yenzani. At the same time uzwakala ethi i-pen is very powerful, and lento le ingamina two things. Ingamina ukuthi wamkhomba ngepen or wamhlaba ngepen, or two imina ukuthi uKhan bekazama uku-imply mhlawumbe ukuyikhuluma ngendlela ephansi ukuthi since ngumphathi wakho ngakubhalela izinto ezimbi kabi phansi, ngakubhalela ama-report abad ngawe, i-performance yakho, i-statements, yabona ama-performance evaluations nani ama-recommendations for i-disciplinary, zonke le zinto ezibhalwa phansi. Mhlawumbe bekamthreatenisha ngaleyo nto leyo ukuthi aloku wena ufika late emsebenzini, so ngingabhala phansi so that ngikwazi ukuthumelela i-recommendations to abaphathi. So we don't know esa statement sisho ukuthini. Unfortunately the only person ongakwazi ukuyiphendula okwamanje uKhan ukuthi bekaqonda ukuthini makathi makakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi i-pen is very powerful. Enye into engidrawile la kule statement, uKhan ukhuluma ngendaba ethi umbuza ukuthi do you want me to add to your issues? That means ubrigadier kune issues uKhan azaziyo, because njengoba exabana nje uKhan uphinde uyibuyisa phansi unokuyithoba, usebuye ethi do you want me to add to your issues? Usehlile kancane emoyeni akasashout njengaqala, because eqaleni bekashouta ethi I am General Khan to you, but now siyabuza do you want me to add to your issues? So that means usisi kune issues uKhan azaziyo, mhlambe uyagowa kunezinto ezimdlayo emsebenzini or ekhaya back, and that means lento le iphinde isisuggestele ukuthi before yonke lento esiyiva namhlanje ngenze ukuthi there was a relationship that existed, whether it was a romantic relationship or they were friends or they were close kakhulu before, but kuyabonakala ukuthi khona ukuzwana okukhona la, because umphathi wami uzokwazi ngani ukuthi ngine issues unless ke mhlambe I went ngayo report ukuthi I won't be able to come to work, mhlambe nenkinga ekhaya or in, so wayazi ngaleyo ndlela. But if akuleyo ndlela, that means bebe close labantu beyingcokolela casual ukuthi uneyinkinga ezikanje, because ngeke avela abuza ukuthi ufuna ngi-add into your issues. So leyo nto le nginike omunye umqondo ukuthi ngenze ukuthi there was a relationship ekhona la. And there's something else uKhan ayikhulumayo kulevi, and uthi uKhan you need to do some introspection and uyibuza ukuthi why yonke lento le yenzeka kuwe. Isitshela lento le ikhona into esinikeza yona lento le ukuthi uKhan wayazi ukuthi makenze introspection. Is it because kunento ekumele ngabe uyayenza kayenzi, so uKhan uzama ukumfakela ekhoneni ukuthi makayenze, or mhlambe because uzuthi ask yourself why all this is happening to you. Izama ukusitshela lento le because uKhan uzama ukumsendela message indirectly or what, but kuyabonakala ukuthi ikhona issue yona in terms of uKhan no brigadier uPhehla. But we don't know ke manje ukuthi, because iMadlanga Commission ayifocus kakhulu ekuthenini i-assault yenzekile or ayenzekanga. iMadlanga Commission into e-consent ngayo efuna ukuyiprove is that mase kuvulwe icase ke kube sekwenzakalana. So imandla kaCommission yona ifocusele apha, but I thought ukuthi make siphinde siyibheke nale VN ukuthi ikhuluma kanjani, because uyazi sometimes ukuba in a relationship emsebenzini xa isiphela i-relationship iba messy kakhulu kwabanye abantu abangafuni ukwamukela ukuthi izinto seziphelile, and ufumana ukuthi akusasebenzisani kahle, akasekho komunye osebenzisa omunye kahle because of yonke lento eyenzakele before. So sekudibana i-issues ezi-private with umsebenzi. So we don't know whether nalapha kukhani kwenzeka same thing now ukuthi there was a relationship that existed before but manje sekumesi. But ngifuna ukukunika ithuba ukuthi uyilalele le voice note kakuhle uzo lento engizishoyo ukuthi ukhani uzishilo yini, mhlambe wena unganento engcono oyizwayo about yonke lento le. Ngicela ukuyilalele sike siphinde sincokole sizuthi ithini into.
Open.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good yourself. Can you close the door?
No, leave the door. Leave the door closed.
Why?
What my reasons?
But what will be the reasons?
No, leave it.
No, but you come here into my office and you just leave the door wide open.
Close the door?
No, but the door was closed.
No, leave it open because I don't want tomorrow to be accused of anything.
What would I accuse you for?
No,
What have I ever accused you for? About?
You don't have to.
Yeah, what have I ever accused you
Yeah,
about?
but I don't
You
want
see,
to
this
say-
door, you can't talk to me in an open place.
Let's go to another place.
No,
You
there's
go
no
in-
other place.
You can come in.
No,
You can come in. Why you don't want to come in?
I don't want to come there because it's not warm enough. I've got my health
Okay,
reasons.
you got
No. Sit here and then close the
No,
door.
I don't want
Even if you don't close it fully, if you don't trust
No,
me,
no,
or
I
go
want
get,
the door open.
or you can get a witness. If
Yeah,
you
okay,
feel like,
call your witness so you'll witness what I'm saying.
then you'll wait until I call my witness then.
No, man, I don't need to listen.
But you say call your witness, so how do I call when you're walking out?
Where's Andy? Let's take your witness. Where's Andy?
If you're coming here to
Not
shout
Khan, I'm a
at
general. Don't address me as Khan. That's the
See
last
now.
time you call me Khan.
you see now.
You call me general.
No, don't shout at me.
You call me general. You don't call me
Okay.
Khan. I'm not your friend. I'm your commander. Do not address me as Khan. Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? Do not address me as Khan. You have discipline. Do you know standing orders of the police? Are you familiar with standing orders? Are you familiar? Brigadier, I'm not Khan to you. I'm not your friend. Where were you this morning? I'm here from 7:30. Why were you not at work? Answer me. Where were you this morning? What time do you start work? You're not going to talk. The pen is very powerful. You have lots of issues at the moment. You want me to add to them? Brigadier, you want me to add to your issues? I need to know where were you? I need answers from you. Do you want me to add to your issues? Have I been rude to you? Why are you rude to me? Do I call you Petle? Leo? I've never called you anything but Brigadier. But can you say the same in your heart? You cannot. Do some introspection and find out why these things are happening to you. Okay? You come to my office tomorrow morning at 7:30. I'll see you at 12. Bring your witness with you.